Founded in 2003, Shelter Structures has been committed to providing solutions for the world's leading outdoor spaces. It has been adhering to the innovative and practical design concept to produce high-quality assembled tent systems to serve different fields such as all kinds of outdoor festivals, commercial activities, stadiums, industrial warehousing, military, and disaster relief. In recent years, Shelter Structures has been actively expanding the scope of business and has been deeply involved in the intelligent development and application of outdoor assembled spaces. Its Shelter Structures Intelligent Space brand has become the leading brand in the field of domestic smart sunroom products. Shelter Dome, as a sub-brand of Shelter Structures, has been focusing on the design and manufacture of spherical buildings. The uniqueness of its shape and strong adaptability have made it the choice for glamping, specialty hotel development, camping reception halls, and outdoor performance venues. At the same time, we have created the world's top wild luxury accommodation brand, Glitzcamp, with ingenious design concepts to create a unique and creative experience of the accommodation space. Rooted in Guangzhou, Shelter Structures has constructed a global production and marketing network with an expansive layout of intellectual manufacturing bases, with rich production experience and countless cooperation experiences with the world's top sports event organizations, cultural event companies, venues, and internationally famous brands. Our products have won numerous awards and established an excellent reputation all over the world. Shelter Structures has been certified as a national high-tech enterprise and has successively obtained a number of international authoritative certificates, such as Innovative Small and Medium-Sized Enterprises, CEU Quality Certification, and ISO 9001. Our production base is located in Panyu, Guangzhou, covering an area of over 50,000 square meters. Highly advanced technological strength and innovation are the key driving forces for the stable development of Shelter Structures. The introduction of advanced CNC production equipment in the production process ensures the high precision of our products, shortens the delivery time. The scaled production makes our prices more competitive. Strict quality control in the production process and installation test before delivery ensures the excellent quality of the products and high customer satisfaction. We have provided numerous tents for hundreds of major events and projects, and our products have served Beijing Olympic Games, Guangzhou Asian Games, Canton Fair, US Formula One Grand Prix, WTA Women's World Open Tennis Championship, PGA Golf Championships, Qingdao International Beer Festival, and National Open Surfing Championships. As a leading brand in the field of domestic sunroom, Shelter Structures Smart Space has strong product adaptability. With its stylish shape and transparent wall design, it can extend a second space for an existing building and flexibly switch between indoor and outdoor comfortable environments. It can be used on a wide range of occasions, such as terraces, restaurants, and courtyards. Domestic landmarks such as the South Square of Guangzhou Tower and five-star hotels such as the Westin Guangzhou and the Beijing Fuding Hotel are among our business partners. Shelter Dome, as a sub-brand of Shelter Structures, focuses on providing high-quality outdoor living solutions, combining comfort, functionality, and eye-catching exterior design, exploring the fashion trend of luxury tents. The unique spherical shape and sophisticated interior design make it popular for luxury accommodations. It is also favored for some large commercial events and catering to attract guests and increase brand reputation. Due to its solid structures and weather resistance, the Dome Home has become a new trend as a permanent housing alternative to traditional housing. As a wholly owned brand under Shelter Structures, Glitzcamp focuses on outdoor tents and vacation homes and mainly serves tourism real estate, RV camps, cultural and tourism towns, etc. It can meet the needs of personalized customization and provide efficient and profitable tourism living solutions. From site selection to luxury tents, installation and layout, Glitzcamp offers a one-stop luxury camping solution. Over the years, we continue to explore the high point of the industry, strengthen the awareness of environmental protection, explore high-tech materials, and constantly improve the quality of our products to provide customers with high-quality tents. We always insist on innovation and constantly adjust the industrial structure according to the market demand. We recommend more appropriate and more advanced space solutions for our customers.